Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about USDJPY. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you my complete multi-time frame top-down analysis. Then we will move to the order flow by looking at the commitment of traders, so what the big players in the market are doing, so the non-commercials, which are the big institutional speculators. And then we will put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is in a quite strong uptrend. We can notice the creation of all these monthly higher highs and higher lows. So clearly buyers are in control of this market, managing to create every single time the higher lows, and every single time so far, the market managed to break above the previous highs. So clearly we are in an uptrend. However, we're also testing a quite strong historical zone. In fact, this level here is basically the highest level that we see from all recent history for USDJPY. Therefore, it is a very strong level of monthly supply and resistance. A break above this zone would mean that we have very good probabilities at that point to go into a strong continued uptrend. However, a rejection away from this zone could definitely signal that the market in the long term might want to go and retest the lows that it has created back in 2024, then in 2025, and after that we had the uptrend start to develop. So we are basically at a turning point. Either buyers will remain in control of this market or sellers will step back in. So we have to keep this peculiar level at mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, the situation is quite clear. What we can notice is that we had strong resistance here, and now the market broke it to the upside. So we had previous weekly resistance preceding this rejection to the downside. Again here, another rejection. Again here, the market reacted to the zone. Then we broke above the level. So at this point on the weekly, that is already a strong indication that we might still see strength for USDJPY because this resistance is now support. So even a push lower into this zone, it means that inside of here, we have an increased probability of seeing more institutional buying at that point, giving another possibility to break through the level that we have identified on a monthly time frame. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. The weekly looks quite interesting. Dropping down on the daily, what do we see? Now, on the daily, what we can see is that the market seems to be creating structure around this zone. In fact, we have this red candle that the market created. So essentially all below this zone here, so the wicks all the way down to this level here, this is all an area in which we have the possibility of seeing more institutional buying. So if the market here will dip a bit lower into this zone, we have very good probability of seeing more institutional buying pressure enter the market. Now, why do I say more institutional buying pressure? Because institutional buying pressure has already started. In fact, it's been quite a while, if we look at the commitment of traders, that institutions have been longing USDJPY. Now, they have been longing USDJPY because they have been shorting the JPY, because the data here that we see is already reported against the USD. So we are looking at the data for JPY USD. So if institutions are shorting JPY USD, they are of course longing USD JPY. And we can see that that is in fact exactly what has been going on. The shorts got increased from 175K all the way up to 267K. So clearly institutions are shorting the JPY, adding 169 shorts with the last report, the previous one 22K, the one before that 16K, and with the very last report we now start to see even longs getting closed, 4.1K to be precise. So essentially institutions are shorting the JPY, adding shorts on the JPY, closing the longs, meaning they are longing USDJPY aggressively. Let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, if the market will enter into this zone, there is the possibility to see even more accumulation of longs, at that point further increasing the probabilities of a potential rejection to the upside away from the area. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection to the upside away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.